Good morning, guys. I hope you're all having an awesome day. It's a sad day today, boys. It is a very sad day. Today is this right here is the very last drive that I'll ever make with this beautiful Garrett 3576. Like, just listen to this. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Today we are installing the brand new turbo on the Ford Falcon to hopefully potentially reach 600 horsepower. So that means chucking out the regular 3576R and replacing it with a Precision 6235. It's going to be absolutely amazing. It's got an anti-surge front housing, so it's going to make all those cool little whistle noises. I just hope it doses as good as this turbo. I don't know, we'll find out. I'm so keen for it though. Rightio, so we've arrived. We're just doing a bit of a car shopper right now. How good does Gene's car look? Looks so sick. Oh, the lighting's terrible. What's up, guys? We made it to Gene's, and I'm going to quickly show you guys the turbo that we're trucking on this car. So if you guys remember what I was saying before, getting rid of the 3576, as much as Gene loves it and the sound of it when I mic it up, we're going to be installing this right here, which is a Precision, what's it, 6235?
35, 62, is it?
I'm not quite sure.
I know much about it.
No, neither. So yes, this right here was on Brandon's car. So it looks like it has an anti-surge front housing, possibly. But yeah, so hopefully it should make all those cool little noises. But apparently this is supposed to be the good mix between the 3582 and the 3576. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's got welded onto the back of the exhaust housing wastegate. So and the flap has been welded shut, the wastegate. Yep.
That's what they do with external gates.
Yep. There you go. So yeah, so we're going to be putting on a Turbo Smart 45mm gate as well, and this is the one we're going to be plumbing back into the new dump pipe, which I have down in the boot down here. So whether we'll use an actual sort of little exhaust piece, I'm not quite sure yet, but we're going to be welding it into this dump right here, because I really don't want an external gate in this car. The R33, yes. This car, no. So yes, this is going to be a great asset to my car. Man, it looks good. So yeah, hopefully it sounds good too. What's that? What's wrong with my underglows?
I need to take the front stone tray off here.
Okay, I'll take all those 7mm bolts out. So that way...
I have power tools.
Oh, it's so funny. The first time I got it tuned, Lee ended up popping one of the intercooler pipes off and had to take the front bar off. He just sent me a photo of the underglows and said, "You arsehole." So I really should get a plug so I can undo them.
Yeah, you arsehole.
Yeah, that's it. Lee said the exact same thing when I did the intercooler pipe at the real dyno.
That's why I said it, because I heard your story.
Oh, I love it. Alrighty guys, let's get to it. Alright, most of the stuff's out the way now. Very cool. I didn't think these things had turbo gaskets to go to the dump.
To the dump they do.
To the dump they do?
Manifold to turbo they don't.
Oh right, manifold to turbo, sorry, yeah. I remember it was one of them, I didn't remember which one. There you go. Right, so we just cleaned up these two heat shields here, but look at this. From the fire and everything. Man, they were all like this too. God damn. So yeah, I'm also going to be painting these two up black today, so they make it look a whole lot nicer in the engine bay too. Very keen. Oh, I sped it up myself. Okay. So it's just like a regular video, but I just compressed it. So grab one end of the clip, and it's like a full 20-minute clip. Compress it along like 30 seconds. Yeah. So that way they just have opposite. Yeah.
Does he do his daytime things when you leave the camera?
I'm so sad.
How's the shop play? What's the shop play like?
You have to bleep that out now.
I know.
Extra work for me, jeez. What's wrong with it, Gene? You love the sound of it. Good on ya, good on ya.
Oh, we need parts.
Oh, you do need parts, yeah. That line there.
No, I don't, because you can use spare ones.
Oh, I do have spare ones, yeah. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought, hey?
Well, when you're looking compared to that.
Yeah. What if you put them side by side? Oh wow, yeah, okay. I see that.
Smalley boy.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. It actually, I mean, it's not terrible, is it? Actually,
No, it's not too bad. It's just it's got that residue.
oh, actually, feel that.
It's got no oil in it, remember?
Oh yeah, that too.
It's not too bad considering. But it's also this,
Yeah.
which is
Up
not
and down.
Which is no. Also, look,
Okay.
it's not too bad actually.
Yeah. And it hasn't been scoring the outside of the housing either.
No.
So, yeah. Well, I mean, it's going well tomorrow, so. Goodbye, awesome little dose thing. It sounded so good though. No?
No. Someone with a foot on a cat.
On a dead cat?
Well, no, that's right. I'll rephrase it. It sounded like someone with a foot on a cat's head. Holding it down.
Aww. Well, I know this precision's gonna sound good, so I'm happy. So, we'll see how we go.
Still on the gate.
Oh, yep. Look at you go.
Got it.
Nailed it. So yeah, now we're just going to clock the turbo because it was pointing at like a 45 towards the engine. So now should look a little bit.
External gates.
Oh man, you love external gates though, don't you?
No.
No? A little bit more to the left-ish. I reckon that'd be right.
That's good.
Yeah, cool. I guess because this pipe's coming that way a little bit. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Looks good. So that doesn't ruin the balance or anything crazy?
No, not on the,
Yeah, cool.
not with an external gate.
Okay.
Internal gate, yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, because that's where the actuator would have been mounted, yeah?
Yeah, bolts to it.
Yep. Ah, learning every day. Putting some 1,000 horsepower paint on. The man. Oh, I'm a bit zoomed in. There you go, boys. Look at that. Let's get this out of the way real quickly. We painted all these black now, so they look a hell of a lot nicer. Matches in with the burnt theme in the engine bay. No, just joking. No, it looks really nice. Super happy with it. Massive thanks to Gene for doing this for me too. He is a legend. Looks great. Push start. It's so rich. Disgustingly rich.
I can't actually find that popcorn combo. Okay, and the chicken. Do you want me to just get to the
That's lean, that smell.
Oh really? Okay. I always thought it was rich.
You can see smoke coming out.
Okay.
So that's a Kentucky box. You've got popcorn chicken, go with chips. It's like that sauce box. Yeah, and you can have
Okay, so new turbo's on. Now we're going to take it for a quick drive just to see what it sounds like. And just to make sure I'm not over revving it or doing anything crazy. I'm actually parked really far off the curb at the moment too. Whoops. Yeah, so it doesn't have that weird, yeah, right. I thought it would have. There you go. Oh, it's got a dose though. Woohoo! Sounds really nice actually. The screamer. It does have that really cool high pitched sort of sound.
Yeah, that's that precision.
Yeah.
Surge. Yeah. You have to say I'm victim to your indicator sound.
Oh yeah. The fact it doesn't make anything, yeah.
Fucking indicator's not working.
Oh, I can smell friggin' exhaust fumes from that screamer already.
No, that's the paint.
Is it? Oh, is it? Oh, paint, sorry, yeah. Sounds really cool. You kind of want this turbo now, don't you? That sounds awesome. Do I want to leave the screamer on now though, or?
Have some fun with
That sounds great.
it. That's exactly what Brett's car is. His precision.
Yep.
Yeah. You
That
don't
sounds
want,
awesome.
Like I said, you don't want to boost it any more than that.
Yes, that's it.
That's me pushing the limits really.
Yep.
Like up to about.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, I wouldn't go any higher than 3.5 while you're accelerating.
Yep.
Like, you know, I'm not giving it all the throttle.
Yep. I wasn't even going to push it that hard. I was going to be like, no.
Yeah. I sort of know what I can do.
Yep.
Yeah, and I know how to control it. So
Yep.
that's what I was showing you. So you can get all your sense of your noises.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just want to have the gate on for a little bit, not too much. What do you reckon down the back there? It's mint. Mint? Sick. I got the approval from both Gene and you now. I'm happy about that. Wow, I really want to leave the gate on now. The external gate sounds amazing.
Yeah, it makes me want one now. Just for that.
You wouldn't want that one though, would you? Or...
It's tempting.
Yeah, it is, it is. I've already just bought the dump and everything though, I kind of have to do it now. Oh no. I'm already like over the moon with how that sounds though. I'm so happy with that.